Question number 1. Which state won the most medals in Khelo India Youth Games 2024? Correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Question number 2. Which river flows through Rajasthan but does not reach the sea? Correct answer is option C. Luni River. Question number 3. Which app is developed by Indian Railways for passenger grievance redressals? Correct answer is option C. Rail Madad. Question number 4. India signed a green hydrogen pact with which country in 2025? Correct answer is option D. Germany. Question number 5. Which country is India's top trading partner in 2025? Correct answer is option B. USA. Question number 6. The concept of fundamental duties was taken from which country? Correct answer is option C. USSR. Question number 7. Which country hosted the 2024 COP29 Climate Summit? Correct answer is option B. Azerbaijan. Question number 8. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Correct answer is option C. Mumbai. Question number 9. Which Indian state recently declared Sanskrit as its second official language? Correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Question number 10. Which Indian airport was ranked among the world's top 5 in 2025? Correct answer is option A. IGI Airport, Delhi. Question number 11. Which Indian state recently implemented the Uniform Civil Code? Correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Question number 12. The only floating national park in the world is in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B. Manipur. Question number 13. Which day is celebrated as World Water Day? Correct answer is option C. March 22. Question number 14. When was the Environment Protection Act implemented in India? Correct answer is option D. 1986. Question number 15. Which major geographical feature lies between India and Bhutan? Correct answer is option C. Himalayan mountains. Question number 16. What was India's total renewable energy capacity till 2023? Correct answer is option A. 100 GW. Question number 17. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the Supreme Court the power to issue writs? Correct answer is option B. Article 32. Question number 8. In which mountain range separates the Kashmir Valley from Ladakh? Correct answer is option C. Pir Panjal Range. Question number 19. Which country became the 6th member of BRICS in 2024? Correct answer is option C. Iran. Question number 20. Which country gifted cheetahs to India for reintroduction? Correct answer is option B. Namibia. Question number 21. Which state launched Mission Shakti for women empowerment? Correct answer is option D. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 22. The first major port developed after independence was? Correct answer is option C. Kandla. Question number 23. Which of the following Indian states has the largest coal reserves? Correct answer is option D. Jharkhand. Question number 24. Which is the most industrialized state in India? Correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Question number 25. The grain revolution in India was most successful in which crop? Correct answer is option C. Wheat. Question number 26. The most densely populated state in India is? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. Question number 27. Which of the following is a landlocked state? Correct answer is option C, Haryana. Question number 28. Which city has the highest urban population in India? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Question number 29. The headquarters of the Indian Meteorological Department is in. Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 30. India is the second largest producer of which crop? Correct answer is option B, rice. Question number 31. Which Indian river forms a delta before entering the Bay of Bengal? Correct answer is option D, Godavari. Question number 32. Which river is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Correct answer is option C, Godavari. Question number 33. India is the largest producer of which mineral in the world? Correct answer is option A, Mica. Question number 34. Which state is the leading producer of species in India? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 35. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 6. Question number 36. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the emergency provisions? Correct answer is option A, Article 352. Question number 37. Which article of the Constitution provides for the post of Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, Article 63. Question number 38. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Question number 39. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 40. In which year was the Planning Commission of India replaced by NITI Aayog? Correct answer is option C, 2015.